I'm Rachel Woods, coming to you from the Mid-America Trekking Show 2024. Today I'm excited to share with you our TRP Reman air disc brake calipers. What sets our calipers apart is that they are remanufactured, not rebuilt. So this means that the caliper housings are disassembled, cleaned, painted, and then carefully assembled with a mix of remanufactured and new parts. TRP's quality is key, which is why the TRP Reman calipers go through rigorous testing at end of line to ensure proper function you can trust. TRP Reman calipers are available as replacements for a variety of industry specifications, which means no matter what your application is, whether it's trucks, tractors, or trailers, TRP has the part that's got you covered. What else? These calipers are proudly remanufactured right here in the USA. This ensures the highest standards and promotes local manufacturing. These calipers also cover a wide range of applications, making them a versatile choice for various vehicle types and models. You can trust that TRP has the right caliper to meet your specific need. And to give you more peace of mind, TRP offers a 2-year nationwide aftermarket parts warranty, so you can drive with confidence knowing your investment is protected. For more trusted, reliable, and proven parts, find us at trpparts.com and follow us on social media.